All right, so today we're going to create a ratio table and graph the results. So the question says, Tarika's mixing yellow and blue paint using a ratio of 2 to 3. Create a ratio table of values to represent this proportional relationship. So to create a ratio table, I just want to first just write the ratio. 2, that's yellow, and 3. And then I want to multiply them by the same number. So I have 2 and 3, and if I multiply both of them by 2, I'll come out 2 times 2 is 4, and 2 times 3 is 6. So let me go ahead and type in 2 and 3. And then my second one I multiply 2 by 2 is 4. And 2 times 3 is 6. And I'm going to do the same thing again. I'm going to multiply that first ratio. And you can do it by any numbers you want. So I'm going to multiply and just start on, go to 3. So 3 times 2 is 6. And 3 times 3 is 9. That's 3 times 2 is 6. And 3 times 3 is 9. And if you notice, what you have is your multiplication tables. 2, 4, 6. So what would this number be? 8. And let's look at blue. Same thing. 3, 6, 9. This one is 12. And if I were to add another one, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. And this one would be 3, 6, 9, 12, 15. So how do I plot? My first column is my X. So that's what we put at X, and we're going to put that one at the bottom. And my second ratio is my Y, and that goes up and down. Remember, X goes left and right, and Y goes up and down. So my first ratio I'm going to plot is 2 and 3. So I'm going to start at my origin, which is 0, 0. I'm going to go right 2, and then I'm going to go up to 3 and just draw a dot. My second ratio is 4 and 6. So again, I'm going to start at 0, 0. I'm going to go right to 4, and then I'm going to go up to 6. Yeah, right here. Yeah, I know it's a messed up dot. The next one is 6 to 8. Go over to 6, up to 8. And my last one is 8 to 12. So I'm going to go over to 8 and then up to 12 right here. And that's my ratio. And if I wanted to draw a line, I could. And I could draw a line to connect the dots. I know it's messed up, but that's pretty much it.